Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on this Jaguar and I'll be doing a rear headlight replacement for this car, and I'll show you. So this is what I'm changing today. Yeah, so it's just like a headlight replacement, and it's just pretty much easy. You can do it right from your home, anywhere you are. You just need to so this was broken, I think, because I used plastic. Customer used plastic tape to tape it. It's broken here, if you can see. So he's preventing water from going in. That's why he's tape. So basically it's just simple. You just have to come to this end, then move this your rubber for the bonnet, for the trunk. Then you have to push this aside to have access to the bolt, and you just 10 knots, which are there 3, 1, 2 and 1 there to the extreme. So 3 of them, when you lose it, it comes out. Then so you can see it's completely out. Yep, and this is it. You just need to unplug this wire. That's it. And this is a new one, probably from eBay. Yeah, directly from another Jaguar. Yeah, and just pull it on, then put your bolt in. Yeah, it's done. So you can see it's all shining. Yeah, reverse lights. You can see reverse lights. Yeah. Indicator. Yeah, indicator lights. And you can see it's working. And brake lights. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.